Okay, so it's time to slice the kingfish. A good sharp knife always helps, and basically what we do is we take long strokes all the way through, and occasionally you have to give the knife a wipe, otherwise the protein from the fish dulls the edge. So usually after about 3 or 4 cuts, just long nice stroke. I'm just going to plate this on my board. What actually cures this kingfish is the lime juice, the citric acid. So I'm going to take the juice of 1 lime and squeeze it into the bowl. Now I'm going to add some olive oil. So this is a very, very simple dressing. So probably around about 2/3 oil to lime juice. Now we just need to add some salt and pepper. So we're going to add our pepper first. Now we're just going to add some salt. Beautiful sea salt, it's fantastic. And a teaspoonful of sugar. Just caster sugar, any white sugar is good. Just going to dissolve that now. So I'll just give it a good stir. So what I'm going to do now is garnish the kingfish with some of these special ingredients that I'm going to show you. So what I did a little bit earlier, I took some limes and oranges and I segmented them into small little cubes. So basically what we've got there is some sweetness, some sour. I want a little bit of saltiness from the roe. And this is going to be like a flavour explosion in your mouth. Okay, so this is the salmon roe. It's really nice and salty. And I always like to leave a little bit of salt just on the side of the board in case people want a little bit more salt. So now it's time to dress. Carefully put the citrus on. And I like to just move it around from different pieces so they get these different explosions in your mouth from sweetness, sour, salty. So we just mix it up. Don't have to be worried about it too much because you just never know what they're going to get. There's a little bit of eschalot, not too much, and some spring onion. Some radish. Then I'm just going to top with a little bit of sorrel. Now just get a nice shine on them, just dip that into the dressing. So now I'm just going to semi-cure with our dressing of lime, olive oil and sugar. So there it is, citrus cured kingfish. Pretty little dish. I hope you enjoyed that.